And today, Missoula County health officials also announced that in 1 week's time, they could be done with Phase 1A of vaccine distribution. But they have a lot to do as they turn their attention to the next phase. KPAX's Megan Mannering tells us what's in store for the distribution team.
The stakes and expectations around COVID-19 vaccination could not be higher. For most, this vaccine is a gateway for normalcy. For many others, it's a life-saving measure that we cannot understate.
Adrienne Beck, Missoula County's newly appointed vaccine deployment officer, knows the urgency of her current task. As frontline healthcare workers and long-term care facilities near the end of their vaccinations, Beck has to be ready to vaccinate the thousands of individuals who belong in Phase 1B. But it's a job that no single person could do alone, so she's called on the Western Montana All-Hazard Incident Management Team. This team will coordinate with Missoula County's access points.
Our current vaccination situation is deeply decentralized. We have the university, our two major hospitals, the health department, PHC, all nations, long-term care centers, and commercial pharmacies involved.
This decentralized system will be used to ensure all of those in Phase 1B receive a vaccine. That includes American Indians and other people of color, those age 70 and older, and people ages 16 to 69 with a qualifying health condition. Beck's team is working non-stop to determine how many doses of a vaccine will be needed, but she says the numbers are hard to estimate.
Because it is decentralized, because there are many opportunities for vaccine providers to become registered vaccine providers with the state of Montana, and therefore then they can order their own vaccine. Getting those numbers and knowing what is available in our community is probably our #1 priority.
While the team awaits more information and more shipments of the vaccine, they're developing strategies for connecting citizens with vaccine providers. It's a long road ahead, but they're ready for the challenge.
This team will remain in place until COVID-19 vaccine is widely available in Missoula County to any resident over the age of 16 wanting to get vaccinated.
In Missoula, Megan Mannering, MTN News.